Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Succulent Plant Care. In today's video, I just want to show you, repotting this particular Portulacaria Afra. It's called, the variation is called Manny. So this has been here on this particular pot for about, I believe 5 months or so. But right now it's a little warm in our area, as I'll show you. It's although I placed this particular plant in our windowsill, but it's really dropping its leaves. So one of the things that I wanted to do is to expand the size of the pot and put it in a grow bag so that it'll have a chance to grow more roots and absorb more water. But as you can see here right now, the leaves are turning yellow and dropping it. Put in the comments below on what you think is happening to this plant. But since this is relatively new in our collection, so I'm not too sure what's going on with this particular plant. But I wanted to put it in a big pot or a big grow bag for a while. So I might as well do it right now, since I wanted to make sure it has enough space to grow anyways. So yeah, this is the type of grow bag I want to put the Portulacaria Afra Manny. So it's, I think, a 1 gallon one, but I will fold it into half, and so that it'll be half a gallon. And I'll be putting in this particular pot here, so that it has some air to make sure the roots on the side, once it grows to the side, will dehydrate and produce more fibrous roots. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be putting this here like this, and put the soil here. Actually, let me just show you a few of my plants that has been doing really well. That's why I wanted to do it this way as well. So these are my 3 Portulacaria Afra that has been using the same setup, the white pot with air holes, as well as growing in a grow bag. As you can see, for this one, this is growing really well, and it's on a windowsill, right? And this one as well, this is doing really well too. This one is the variegated one, and there's 2 of them in there, and it seems like they're doing fine too. So I wanted to use the same setup, this one for the Manny plant, in hoping to get this to grow well, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Feel free to fast forward the video as I do it, and yeah, let's get started. Guys, there you have it. So this is the regular Portulacaria Afra. This is the variegated Portulacaria Afra. And this is the Portulacaria Afra Manny. So hopefully, this one will work well like those three behind them, right? So please consider giving us a like. It will really help us with YouTube's algorithm. And consider subscribing if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and happy gardening. Bye now.